Is your home in need of a garden makeover? Is your backyard plain and uninspiring? When you would love to have a peaceful oasis to relax in at home but don't know where to start, it can't seem like a daunting task ahead of you. You need a landscape gardener who can help you plan and achieve a beautiful garden that you can enjoy for many years to come. Whatever style of garden you've been imagining, our landscape gardeners have the knowledge and experience to create it for you. We tackle all sizes of projects, from beautifying a small country yard to rejuvenating large gardens. From native shrubs and trees to exotic blooms, your garden can be transformed into a natural oasis of peace and tranquility. For a backyard you can be proud of, book a design consultation with us today.